side of the river. The side.
Hello everybody, Isaac here again. I'm pretty sure it cut off in like probably the center of my last video, but this is part 2
The cog no longer controlled.
of Gears of War Judgment.
I thought maybe we could slip through unnoticed.
Kitty.
Nice. This would make a fine UIR headquarters.
Yeah, don't go filling your canteen, Paddock. So this is the UIR sniper rifle.
This isn't a gun. It's a comrade.
Alright. Challenge. Yeah, let's go with it. I'm gonna do all the challenges in this game, by the way. And I mean all of them. Am I, like... No, I'm not. Alright. Anyway.
And with our radios down, we had no way of letting control know we were there. We needed to hurry.
Oh, my cat found the bird. It's a toy. It's a little toy bird she has that I got my cat. It makes noise whenever she grabs it or whatever. It's very cute. Unlike you, you big fatty. Are you dead? Yeah, you're dead. I saw you. Oh, bollocks. Here you go. Oh, he's still alive! And now you're dead. I'm not surprised, but... Go up the stairs. There you go. I don't want to check my aim. You just get out of my way. Not Anya. I'm still thinking of the older Gears of War. I thought there was a guy behind me, but apparently not. Oh, there is a guy back here. You little hider, banana man. Shoot you in the face.